Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to make fancy chocolate-covered strawberries using an easy method. First, select about 1 pound of fresh, firm strawberries with their green stems intact. Gently wash them under cool water and then thoroughly dry each berry. This step is crucial because any moisture will prevent the chocolate from sticking properly. Finally, prepare a baking sheet by lining it with parchment paper. This will be where your beautiful creations will set. Now let's get to the chocolate. You'll need about 12 ounces of good quality chocolate, either chips or chopped bars. For a quick method, place your chocolate in a microwave-safe bowl and heat it in 30-second intervals, stirring well after each until it's smooth and fully melted. Be careful not to overheat it. If you prefer, a double boiler offers a more controlled, gentle melt, ensuring your chocolate stays perfectly tempered and glossy for dipping. With your chocolate perfectly melted, it's time for the fun part, dipping. Hold each strawberry by its stem and submerge it into the melted chocolate, leaving a small portion of the red berry visible near the stem. Gently lift and allow any excess chocolate to drip back into the bowl before placing the berry onto your prepared parchment paper. For an extra fancy touch, you can drizzle them with white chocolate or sprinkle on some finely chopped nuts before the chocolate sets. Once all your strawberries are dipped and decorated, it's time to let them set. You can leave them at room temperature, which usually takes about 15 to 30 minutes, or place them in the refrigerator for a quicker set. Once the chocolate is firm to the touch, your fancy chocolate-covered strawberries are ready to be enjoyed. For the best taste and texture, serve them within a few hours of preparation. Enjoy your delicious homemade treats.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.